All right, well, Daryl and I are off for breakfast, and I'm gonna sort of show you a little bit of what Lake Havasu looks like on the way. Um, and I need to, Daryl's gonna work on my new, what do we call the thing, display or whatever, my console. So first thing I need to do, I guess, is turn off my, on and off my personal hotspot.
The thing about this town is old cars. Oh my gosh. So many nice old cars here. And probably 75% of the people here have Razors side by sides.
Arriving at Black Bear Diner on the left.
Black Bear Diner.
They have a country fried steak that you can get that's like big as the plate.
Oh, no kidding.
I've never gotten it, but I've seen it. I can't eat all that.
Well, you know it's cold in Lake Havasu City when Daryl wears a coat. You don't see that very often. I think he's only got one coat.
But I think we're in the temperature range now where it's like 70 and 50. It'll be this way all the way through to February, I guess. It's the whole reason I come here.
No smoking in the bear den.
Yep. Do a coffee.
Coffee. So, to tell you something about my dog, did you even remember that Dottie's in the car?
Yeah. So here's the menu.
All
Give you
right.
a newspaper.
This is the first newspaper I've held in probably 20 plus years. The bear is born.
It's like the history of the restaurant menu.
Chicken fried steak. Joe's hobo omelet. Smoked ham, link sausage, thick cut, smoked bacon, jack cheese, cheddar cheese, spinach, and onions. That'll stiffen up those arteries for you.
For sure. It is chilly today, man. Jeez.
My dad would say, chili today, hot tamale.
It is.
Black Bear Diner.
I'm waiting for someone. Yeah, I'll take a cup of coffee.
So it does say something about the history here. Small mountain town, Mount Shasta. Unlikely birthplace for thriving restaurant. And I'm guessing that restaurant is this one.
So Mount Shasta's in Redding, California. Northern California.
Mount Shasta, California, yeah. When we first started out, people would drive 50 or 60 miles to come to Black Bear because they said it just feels different from any other place they go. Staying true to these original values is the foundation of Black Bear Diner's success today. We continue to share Bruce and Bob's passion with every plate of food you enjoy in every experience. What's on the back page? Just more menu. Oh, I bet I'm going to give a guess that the 5-layer chocolate cake is probably pretty good. And the carrot cake, it's 900 calories.
Looks like they have about 50 stores or restaurants, and they're all in California, Utah, Oregon, Arizona. And I know there's one in Utah. I'm sure of it.
Nothing in Nevada?
No, I don't see it in Nevada. There's one in Washington.
I know I've stumbled across seeing them before, but I've never tried one.
Oh yeah, Henderson has one. Carson City, Vegas, Barstow. Oh, there's a whole nother list on the other side. Idaho, Oklahoma, Utah. Oh, Missouri. Far east is Missouri.
Did they say how many total restaurants? It's a lot. They're on both sides here.
Yeah, there's like 50 on the left, so there must be close to 100. Couple in Texas.
So this is my California Eggs Benedict, and what's yours, Daryl?
Chicken fried steak.
Chicken fried steak with a side of
Biscuit gravy.
biscuit and gravy. Are you sure this is going to be enough food for you? Do we need to stop at another restaurant after this?
Give me 5 minutes and we'll decide that.
Well, everybody, this is going to conclude my trip to Lake Havasu with, oh, you know what? I just realized something. I got my new thing here, and I can do let's see if I hit home. Is it going to take it? It's going to take me to Pahrump if I hit home. So we will do, instead of home, we will do, let's type in La Posa South. And we're doing it in the first time ever, we're doing GPS on the big screen. Here, check this out. Check this out. Hang on. Isn't that great? This is what I came up here for, to Daryl, to install this bad boy in me. Look at the size of that thing. Here, I put my hand out there. That's how big this thing is. The hand's right on there. It's huge. So Daryl installed that thing for me, and I'm pretty happy about that. Rest assured, Daryl got a dinner, or maybe a lunch, and a real nice lunch, and a real nice breakfast for his valiant and generous efforts. And this is going to be, it's Monday, but boy, this is a busy road, my friends. It'd be busy. In my backup camera, I can see a huge image in the. It's just.
Head east on Saratoga Avenue.
So
turn right.
Not yet. We're going to go
Continue on Saratoga Avenue for 1.5 miles.
That is awesome. Well, thanks for listening to the video. I hope you enjoyed my little tail end of my visit with Daryl in Lake Havasu. I'm headed back to Quartzsite, and it says it's going to take me 1 hour and 21 minutes with this. That's darned accurate, because that was almost to the minute how long it took me to get here, if you remember that from the other video. So take care. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you very much. Take care.